Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and tap on System. From here, choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Then click on Theme. Now you can scroll all the way down, choose Show More at the bottom right corner, and access all available themes. Now click on the best one for you, Manage Keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it though, just go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under My Themes instead. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, you can adjust brightness. After clicking Next, you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then click on Done, Manage Keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then you need to click on Apply again. If you wish to get rid of your keyboards though, click on it, tap on this pin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now when I go back and try to access mine, as you can see, theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!